Today we'll be talking about the brand new edition, the Apple Watch Ultra, as well as talk more about the new Apple Watch Series 8, and the second generation version of the SE. The 2022 Apple Watch lineup has arrived and comes with some big changes, but there's a lot of consider between the latest models and their predecessors. They are available for pre-orders now with deliveries on different dates: September 16th for the SE, and Series 8 and September 23rd for the Apple Watch Ultra. The Apple Watch SE and Series 8 comes in two different case sizes, the SE in a 40 and 44mm case size and the Series 8 in a 41mm or 45mm case size. The Apple Watch Ultra, it's 49mm, that's your only case size option. Smartwatches aren't the best devices for listening to music or talking to people, though you can always pair some Bluetooth earphones with one. But all three Apple Watches do come with their own speakers and microphones for making calls and using the surprisingly fun walkie-talkie feature. Both the Special Edition and the Series 8 Apple describes in the space as microphone and speaker. The Ultra meanwhile has dual speakers that Apple claims 40% louder sound than the Series 8. Let's take a look at the Series 8 for the 41mm that start at $399 and the 45mm at $429, $100 more. You can add cellular. The aluminium colors are Midnight Starlight Sliver and Product Red. For $699 you can get gold, silver and graphite stainless. The Apple Watch SE starts at $249, that's for the GPS edition, and the Apple Watch Ultra is the most expensive options available at $799, and it's only available in a titanium finish. The Apple Watch Ultra will give you a battery that can last about 36 hours or at max 60 hours on a low power mode, but when it comes to Watch Series 8 it can only give you 18 hours of battery backup and up to 36 hours on low power mode. The Series 8 and Ultra are both dust resistant, but the Ultra goes one step further with additional display edge protection. All of the three watches are water resistant, with the SE and Series 8 going down to 50 meters and the Ultra is more durable watch down to 100 meters. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with 2000 nits brightness, whereas Watch Series 8 only comes with 1000 nits peak brightness. The Apple Watch Ultra being twice bright as the Series 8, so this will make it much easier to see the screen in direct sunlight, and the new night mode is easier for your eyes to see the screen in the dark by turning the display dark or red. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.